Hello guys, you're on VRM24.com YouTube channel, name is Vadim, and today we will disassemble the BQ-5016G Choice. Okay, for disassembly we will use plastic opening tools, Phillips screwdriver 1.5mm or #30 and tweezers. First of all, we have to open the back cover. We pick up the edge with our thumb and slightly open it. If you cannot remove the cover at the edges with your hands, then you can use a plastic tool. Now we can remove the battery. We have a small indentation in the middle cover to get it right. So we have a 2000 mAh battery. After removing the battery, we need to unscrew all screws. We have a special magnetic ball where we will put them in correct order, because it is not known whether all screws are the same length. Take a Phillips #30 screwdriver and unscrew all screws. It's quite a budget model. I don't think that it can still be found on sale. By the way, this is not BQ, who are from Spain and now Vietnam, I guess. And as I understand it, it's a Chinese product made for Russian market or Russian-speaking customers. And now we need to remove the middle cover. Take a plastic opening tool and carefully remove the clips or hooks holding the cover. At the edges we need to be as careful as possible. The cover in these places is held tightly. We remove the cover and in it we see a loudspeaker and pads for antennas. We disconnect the coaxial cable connector, then, as I understand it, the cable connector to the display. The coaxial cable connector on the motherboard and the touchscreen connector. Now we can detach the printed circuit board. It is fixed on the one side. In order for us to remove the circuit board, we need to peel off the edge of this sticker and unstick the side buttons cable. Here the cable is glued and the buttons are glued too. Once we have flipped the motherboard over, we can detach the front and rear cameras. Here the rear cameras took off a little, but that is okay. And so we peel off the cable of the side buttons, it's slightly glued, be careful when unsticking it. Well, we detach the buttons. This is a shield that protects the microcircuits. An ARP speaker is soldered with wires. That is all for now. Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, now we're done. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or read our articles on our website. Take care of yourself and until next video.